Welcome to Paintit.ai. Let's take a quick tour of the workspace and get everything ready for your first design. We'll start in the main menu. Your profile shows your current plan, credit balance, and an estimate of how many images you can generate with each model. This makes it easier to choose the right quality level before you begin and keep your credit use under control. Next, open My Subscriptions to compare the available plans. Each plan is designed for a different level of use. As you move up, you get more credits, higher resolution results, access to advanced AI models, private generation, and commercial usage rights. Paintit.ai also includes an affiliate program. If you're a creator, designer, or partner, you can earn 20% from every paid subscription made through your referral for as long as that subscription stays active. The daily bonus gives you another way to build up credits. Visit the app regularly, keep your activity streak going, and collect extra generations for new ideas and experiments. You can also invite a friend using your personal referral link. Once your friend signs up and purchases a subscription, you'll both receive 100 credits. That's enough for roughly 33 images with Nano Banana 2 Lite, 10 with Nano Banana 2, or 6 with GPT Image 2. Just copy your link here and share it whenever you're ready. If you need help, have a question, or want to suggest an improvement, open Support and message the Paintit.ai team directly from the app. You can also connect Pinterest and bring your saved boards and ideas into Paintit.ai. It creates a much shorter path from inspiration to your own interior concept. We'll leave it disconnected for now and continue with a local image. Let's start with the main image, the space you want to transform. You can upload it from a computer or mobile device, choose one from Pinterest, or open an image from an existing project. Next come reference images. Add an interior you like, a piece of furniture, a material, or a color palette to show the AI what direction you have in mind. You can add up to 5 references. Now describe the result in your own words. If you're not sure where to begin, choose one of the suggestion chips and use it as a quick starting point. For example, try a modern kitchen with open shelving, or a minimalist studio with large windows. Explore a few ideas and see which direction feels right. You'll also notice Guided Flow, a new repaint agent skill. It takes you through a complete step-by-step scenario, so we'll give it a dedicated walkthrough in another video. Next, choose the image format that fits your goal: square for social posts, landscape for listings and presentations, or portrait for stories, reels, and TikTok. Finally, choose how many variations to generate. You can create 1 to 4 images from a single request. One variation saves credits. Several variations make it faster to compare directions and choose the strongest result. And that's everything you need to set up your first concept. In the next guide, we'll choose the right AI model for the job. See you there.